As healthcare providers, we saw many people who walked through our doors that didn't walk out.
There's an emotional toll that comes with caring for COVID-19 patients shift after shift and trying feverishly to save them.
This past year has been a roller coaster, an emotional roller coaster.
Nurse Elise Isopo of North Shore University Hospital can't get the faces of the COVID-19 victims out of her mind.
The amount we saw and the sadness and the families that couldn't be there with their loved ones when they were critically ill was something that took a toll on all of us.
Carlos Rivera of Cohen Children's Medical Center got sick with COVID and lost his grandmother and father to the virus.
It was tough. It was so tough for us. The hardest thing that anybody would have to endure.
But now, frontline medical workers struggling with trauma, grief, and loss have a place to heal. Northwell Health created the Center for Traumatic Stress, Resilience, and Recovery. It's located on the LIJ campus in New Hyde Park.
Just like our veterans receive additional specialized supports to acknowledge their sacrifice, so too our healthcare workers deserve the same.
The center is staffed with clinicians trained in the treatment of PTSD, anxiety, depression, and insomnia. The goal is to help healthcare workers deal with their stress before it overtakes their lives.
The fallout from having to deal with this past year of losing loved ones, this center is vital for that. The next big wave we're really going to see are those because of those with psychological needs, because of the depression.
These healthcare heroes say they're glad there's now a place for them to get help with the emotional wounds of the pandemic.
The center is needed. Things like this is needed.
Virginia Huey, News 12, Long Island.